Middlesex County College Department of E-Learning presents this brief video on tools that are in Canvas should you need to hold your class online. The three tools we are going to focus on in this video are conferences, collaborations, and discussions. From your course homepage, make sure that Conferences is available to the students to view. You can check this to make sure that the crossed out I is not next to it. We see Conferences and we're going to click here. On the conference page, you see a big blue button with a plus next to it, allowing us to add content. We can click that to start a new conference. A dialog box opens up which will allow you to rename the conference, set the duration, and record the conference, and add a description. You can also choose which members are invited. Once you click Update, this will take you back to the main screen. A new button has appeared which says Start. Clicking it will begin your conference. A new browser window will open that will take you to Big Blue Button, the conference hosting site. The first question that you will be asked is, how do you want to join the recording? As the instructor, you should choose to join using your microphone. You'll then be given an echo test and you should click Yes. This is the layout for Big Blue Button, and we see a couple of panes. Up here we have some information, including public chat, which you can click off there, shared notes, which is useful for the students, and the users. Here is the main pane where you will hold your presentation. You can upload a presentation here. Down here you can see that your microphone is active and you can listen to the audio, or you can share your webcam by clicking here. Click Start Sharing, and then you'll see the video will appear. There I am. Hello. Now let's upload a presentation. We'll click here to upload a presentation, and you see you can drag files or browse for files. I'm going to click Browse for Files, which will open up my computer filing system. I'm going to choose this PowerPoint here and click Open. Then from this page, click Upload. You notice that it converts the file quite quickly, so it doesn't take long to move it into the main presentation screen of Big Blue Button. After a moment's pause, we'll see that this presentation is there, and you can go ahead and go through the slides and give your presentation as you would in front of a face-to-face class. Once you complete your online meeting, you can just close the browser window. You need to return to Canvas, though, in order to properly end the conference. As you can see here, the conference is listed as in progress. Just click End to conclude it. You will see a list of all your concluded conferences here. Great! Now that we've finished talking about conferences, let's move on to the next topic, collaborations. Just because students can't meet in person doesn't mean they can't work together on a project online. Using Office 365, students can create Word documents or Excel files that can be worked on simultaneously, with edits immediately visible to all. Think about using Office 365 as a way to encourage small group work outside of class time. The collaboration function in Canvas allows students to easily connect and work together. Canvas leverages collaborative technology to allow multiple users to work together on the same document at the same time. This means that changes are saved in real time, and any of the changes are immediately visible to everyone. Great, so now we've talked about conferences and collaborations, let's take a look at discussions. Online forums can be used for many purposes, such as helping students review material prior to an assignment or an exam, engaging students in discussion of course material before coming to class, and reflecting on material that they have read or worked with outside of the class. There are a few things to keep in mind when using discussions in order for them to be fruitful. Think through your student learning goals. Build in motivation for students to participate. This could mean making it a graded exercise. Make sure your instructions are explicit and that your questions incorporate reciprocation, and that your students know how to use the technology. With this in mind, discussions can be a useful asynchronous activity. This is been just a brief overview of some of the tools that are native to Canvas that can help you in online learning. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to us in the Department of e-Learning. I hope you enjoyed this video and take care.